Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from your Coinbase to your bank account. And you can do this in two ways, either from your desktop browser or your mobile app. And I'm going to show you both the ways, guys. So on your desktop browser, guys, what you're going to do is you click on My Assets, click on Cash, click on Withdraw Cash, put in the transaction amount that you want to withdraw, and also you want to choose the transfer method, okay? So I'm going to repeat again. Select My Assets, choose Cash. You want to select Withdraw Cash, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and choose the transaction destination under Transfer To. Let me show you right here. So we're going to choose, for example, your bank account. Okay, choose bank account, your bank account, whichever bank account you want to withdraw to. Then you can select Preview and you can choose to withdraw cash. Now, the same method basically on the mobile app. You want to do the same method, guys. Transfer, withdraw cash, whatever bank account you want to withdraw to. For example, if you wanted to withdraw to PayPal or your bank account, you can choose that as well. So for example, again, transfer, select transfer, choose withdraw cash, enter the amount, or you can also select the withdraw maximum amount if you want to withdraw your full available balance, and you want to confirm the selections for withdraw and transfer to. Okay, whatever method you want to transfer to, select and preview, and you can choose to withdraw the cash now. And it's that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. Turn those bell notifications, guys, so you're notified of the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.